Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to mix Typeform with Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, you can always go and register if you don't have a profile. But if you have struggles with that, you can always go and check out on our YouTube channel how you can actually go and do that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the create button, we have the schedule events and the admin center in the bottom left corner. Also, we have in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and mix Typeform with Calendly. Basically what you need to do is click on here on this link that they gave you. So the link is calendly.com/integration/Typeform. So here you can see Calendly plus Typeform, gather, qualify, and schedule. Here we have two buttons, add integration and chat with support. What you need to go and click on is add integration. When you click on there, you will have, as you can see, you can go and add integration. Basically, you can use this integration. You can go through all of these past stuff, and here you can see that you can then go or chat with the support, of course, if you have the reason to do so. Basically, you have those two options to go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.